Imagine flying non-stop for over a week, no food, no rest, no refueling. Now imagine doing it by literally eating your own organs just to stay alive. Meet the bar-tailed Godwit, nature's most extreme endurance athlete. Each year, these small shorebirds embark on the longest non-stop flight of any known animal, a staggering 11,000 kilometers, or nearly 7,000 miles from the Arctic to the southern hemisphere. They spend their summers in the far north, feasting on worms, snails, and crustaceans. But when the cold sets in, they take off on a journey that defies biology itself non-stop, across the open ocean. Before takeoff, scientists found that Godwits bulk up dramatically. Over half their body weight becomes pure fat. But here's the shocking part. They sacrifice their own organs to make it possible. Their livers, kidneys, and intestines shrink, freeing up room for fat reserves, while their hearts and flight muscles stay powerful for the long haul. This process is called autophagy, Greek for self-eating. It's a cellular survival mechanism where the body recycles its own tissues to endure stress or starvation. For the Godwit, it's the difference between life and death. They literally burn parts of themselves mid-flight to keep going. In 2022, one bar-tailed Godwit set a world record, 13,560 kilometers from Alaska to Tasmania in just 11 days without stopping. Once they finally land, their bodies begin to heal. The organs regrow, the fat burns off, and they prepare for yet another migration cycle. The bar-tailed Godwit shows us what survival truly means: pushing life to its limits, transforming itself mid-air, and returning to do it all again. These tiny birds remind us that even in nature, greatness often demands an incredible sacrifice.